Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in this video we are going to study word problems of chapter 12, equations in one variable. Now first example of practice set 12.2 is mother is 25 years older than her son. Find son's age if after 8 years ratio of son's age to mother's age will be 4/9. Now this is a word problem. In word example we have to consider the things that we have to find. Now here we have to find their ages. For that we have to consider any variable. Now here who is younger? Mother is 25 years older than her son. Means son is younger. Consider his age be x years. Suppose son's present age be x years. Son's present age be x years. Mother is 25 years older. Mother is 25 years older. Therefore, mother's present age is equal to, now mother is 25 years older means plus, then son. Son's age is x and 25 years older means x plus 5, x plus 25. X plus 25 years. It is the present age of mother. Here condition is that after 8 years, ratio of their ages, means we want their ages after 8 years. After 8 years, son's age will be, now present age is x, then after 8 years, age will be x plus 8. Son's age after 8 years, and mother's age will be, now what is present age of mother? Mother's present age is x plus 25 present, and we want after 8 years means plus 8 here again, is equal to, it will become x plus 33, x plus 33 years. Now after 8 years, son's age is x plus, will be x plus 8, and mother's age will be x plus 33, and ratio of these ages is given 4/9. Ratio of new ages means after 8 years. Therefore here we can write now, by the given condition, now in given condition the ratio is given of their ages after 8 years. What is son's age after 8 years? X plus 8 upon ratio means upon mother's age after 8 years, x plus 33, and their ratio will be 4/9. In this way we got equation, and now we know how to solve this. Now here fraction is on both sides, therefore we have to solve by cross multiplication. Let's continue now. 9 in bracket x plus 8 is equal to, here this product 4 in bracket x plus 33. 9 into x, 9x plus 9 8s are 72 is equal to 4 into x, 4x plus, now 33 into 4 we have to do, 4 3s are 12, 4s are 12 plus 1 13, 132. Now transfer order, 9x minus 4x is equal to 132 minus 72. 9x minus 5x, 4x is equal to, here subtraction, 2 minus 2 0, 13 minus 7 4, 13 minus 7 here 6, 132 minus 72 60. Divide x is equal to 60 divided by 5. Therefore, x is equal to 12. X value we got 12. Now, x we considered for son's age. Therefore, we got son's age 12 years. Therefore, I continue here. Therefore, son's age is equal to x is equal to 12 years, and mother's age. Mother's age, what was the mother's age here? We considered x plus 20, 25. X plus 25 is equal to, x value is 12 plus 25, 37 years. These are present ages of mother and son. Let's see second example. The denominator of a fraction is greater than its numerator by 12. What is to find fraction? Now fraction is written in the form of numerator upon denominator. Okay, means we have to consider x for either a numerator or for denominator. Now here denominator of a fraction is greater than its numerator. Numerator is smaller. Therefore consider x for numerator. Suppose numerator b, suppose the numerator be x. Therefore, the denominator is equal to, denominator is greater than its numerator by 12. Means denominator will become x plus 12. Numerator we considered x, denominator is greater by 12, means x plus 12. Therefore, what is the fraction? Original fraction is equal to, we have to find this, x upon x plus 12. This is the fraction that we have to find. But now what is the condition? If numerator is decreased by 12, here numerator is x, it is decreased by 2, numerator is decreased by 2 and denominator is increased by 7. Then new fraction is equivalent to 1 upon 2. Therefore, by the given condition, what is condition now here? This numerator is decreased by 2, numerator is x, means here x minus 2. Okay, x minus 2, it is decreased by 2 and denominator is increased by 7. Now what is denominator? X plus 12, x plus 12 and it is increased by 7, means plus 7. Then new fraction is equivalent to 1 upon 2. In this way we got equation. Now we have to solve it. X minus 2 upon, let's add it first, x plus 19 is equal to 1 upon 2 and now cross product. 2 in bracket x minus 2 is equal to 1 in bracket x plus 19. 2x minus 4 is equal to x plus 19. 2x minus x is equal to 19 plus 4. Okay, 2x minus x is equal to 19 plus 4, 23. X value we got 23, but we want fraction, no? Therefore, fraction is equal to x upon x plus 12. Now put value here. X value 23 upon 23 plus 12 is equal to 23 upon 35. This is the fraction 23 upon 35. Example number 3. The ratio of weights of copper and zinc in brass is 13:7. Now here is ratio 13:7. These are not actual their weights. When the ratio is given, we multiply by common multiple to that, then we get its actual whatever measurement or weight, years, ages, anything. But we have to multiply by common multiple. Now 13 multiply by common multiple x, 13x here 7x. These are their actual weights. Okay, and find the weight of zinc in brass utensil weighing 700 gram. 700 gram is the total. Okay, now here suppose the weight of copper be 7x. Sorry, here first is 13, therefore take here 13x. Copper, here copper is here 13x, and the weight of zinc be 7x. And now here find the weight of zinc in brass utensil weighing 700 gram. 700 gram is the total weight of that utensil. By the condition is that 13x plus 7x is equal to 700 total weight. This is the weight of copper, it is the weight of zinc, and this is the total weight of brass. Now add it. 20x is equal to 700, x is equal to 700 upon 20, x is equal to, here this 0 we can cancel, 70 upon 2, 35. Now we want weight of what? We want weight of zinc only. Therefore, the weight of zinc is equal to, now weight of zinc is 7x. 7x is equal to 7 multiplied by 35. Now multiply by 7 to 35, 7 5s are 35, 3 carried over, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 3 24, it is gram. Therefore, the weight of zinc is 245 gram. Weight of copper is not asked, therefore no need to find. That's why this example is here completed. See example number 4. In fourth example it is given, find 3 consecutive whole numbers. 3 consecutive whole numbers. Consecutive means continuously next, continuously coming numbers. Therefore, suppose these numbers, suppose 3 consecutive whole numbers B. Now if we consider first number be x, second number will be x plus 1 and third number will be x plus 2 respectively. Respectively means first number, first whole x, second x plus 1, third x plus 2. Now what is condition? Condition is that their sum is more than 45 but less than 54. Their sum, that is the condition. Then by the condition we can write here, by the condition their sum of these x plus 1, this is second number, plus x plus 2, this is third number, in bracket I can write, there is plus sign between, that's why no need to write, but for understanding, first number x, second number, third number, and their sum is more than 45, then more means greater than 45 and less than 54. Let's see, solve this side only. X plus 1 without bracket now, greater than more than 45 and less than 54. Here sum less than 54, here also less than 54. Okay, it is like this now. Here equal sign will not come. Their sum is more than 45 and less than 54. Then 54 is greater than, or here addition now, x plus x, 3x plus 3 is greater than 45. Okay, now we have to solve this side and this side. Let's continue here. First this you can do. 54 is greater than 3x plus 3. Now let's solve this only. Bring this 3. 54 minus 3 is greater than 3x. 54 minus 3, 51 is greater than 3x. Then 3 divide. 51 divided by 3 is greater than x. Now reduce here. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3 here. 2 21. 7s are 17. 17 is greater than x. And if we solve this here, 3x plus 3 is greater than 45. Then 3x is greater than 45 minus 3. 3x is greater than 42. X is equal to 42 divided by 3. X is equal to 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3 here. 3 fours are 12. X is equal to 14. And here we now see x not equal, so here is greater than, here greater than. Now this is the number first, therefore we can write here, how can we write this? 17 is greater than x and x is greater than 14. 17 is greater than x and x is greater than 14. Means which are numbers here? Which numbers should be this x? Which numbers are in between here now? 15 and 16. There are only two numbers now. Here greater than 14 means 15 16, correct, and less than this also 15 16. Therefore x is equal to, therefore x is equal to 15 or x is equal to 16. Two numbers 15 or 16 x. Now which are three consecutive? Here x is equal to 15. If we take x is equal to 15, then second number will be 15 16 17, right? And if we take x is equal to 16, then that number will be 16 17 18. Therefore consecutive whole numbers are, if we take 15, then 15 16 17, 15 16 17, or if we take 16, then it will be 16 17 18, or 16 17 18. Means there are two options whose sum is more than 45 and less than 54. See, if you add here 10 20 30 40 48, 48, okay, 48 greater than 40, and if you take this pair, then 10 20 30 40 45 45 50 51, then less than 54.